Grow the balance of your bank account to $10, $12, or even $13 landing every few minutes. In today's video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to get started with this effortless make money online method. Step 1. Set up design tool at KITTL. The first step is to go to KITTL by searching at Google Chrome, KITTL.com, which will take you directly to the page. KITTL is an online design tool that makes it easy to create professional-looking designs, ideal for print and demand products like t-shirts and posters. Once you're on the page, click on New Project, which will open a new window. Set the dimensions by changing the units to inches, entering 11 for width and 14 for height, and setting the DPI to 300. Then click Create in the bottom right. Finally, select Fit to Artboard to begin. KITTL now includes a new feature that generates editable designs from simple text prompts, which could be quite useful. However, today we're focusing on the business model and sales strategies, so we'll stick to creating basic designs and text. Follow along. Step 2. Generate quotes. KITTL has introduced a new feature that lets you generate editable designs from a simple text prompt. Quite a useful tool. But today we're focusing on the business model and how to drive sales, so we'll stick to creating some basic text and designs. Follow along with me. Head over to ChatGPT and ask for 10 productivity quotes. I'll request, give me 10 copyright-free quotes about productivity. ChatGPT will then provide some great productivity quotes, perfect for this passive income method, which can earn you $8 to $10 every minute, even while you sleep. Follow each step to make this work. Once you have the quotes, simply copy them. I'll start with the first one. Select it like this, then copy it. Step 3. Create Design in KITTL next. Return to KITTL. Go to the text tool on the left side and add a text box by selecting Headline. Double-click on the headline text and then replace it with the quote copied from ChatGPT. Here, you can customize the text properties. For instance, adjust the size directly or resize the text box by clicking and holding it to fit your design. I'll modify the text and keep the quote in view in the Properties panel. If you want the text in all caps, simply select the option here, and you can also choose a font style you like. I'll go with this one. To center the text, click here, and just like that, our first design is ready. Feel free to create as many designs as you'd like. To duplicate your design, just click on the artboard and select Duplicate to make another version you can adjust. Here's a tip. If you'd like variations or want a unique quote, double-click on the text, select it all and copy it. With the text selected, click the magic star icon, choose Generate Text from the pop-up, paste the quote, set the tone to inspiring, and click Generate Text. KITTL's text generator will provide 3 new options based on the original quote. Choose your favorite, click Replace, and now you have an alternate design. If a word or text element seems a bit misaligned, you can make individual text boxes for each word or line. For example, I noticed tomorrow was slightly off in the previous design, so since I have 6 words, I'll create 6 headlines to replace each word and adjust them as needed. Select all of them by holding the Shift key, and you can edit them together. I'll now copy each text section individually and replace it as needed. You can edit each text box as desired. Step 4. Download your designs. Once you've finished creating the other quotes, you can download them by selecting the Download button. Be sure to save them in PNG format, and the files will download as a zip file onto your hard drive. Next, go to Printify. Printify is an online platform where you can design and sell custom products such as mugs and t-shirts. Step 5. Set up Printify account. Creating an account is quick and free. All you need is your email and a password. Step 6. Preview and save the product. Once logged in, go to the catalog on the left side and select Posters. I suggest choosing the one marked Bestseller. You can view a preview of how your poster will look. Scroll down and select Start Designing. Now, find the first design you downloaded from KITTL and simply drag and drop it to upload. Click on Select Variants to pick the variant that fits your design. Since we created an 11 by 14 poster, choose that size. From here, you can resize your design to fit the poster dimensions. Then click Preview to see how your design will appear when printed. When you're satisfied, click Save Product. Step 7. Create an online store. We've now created the design with KITTL, and set up our Printify account, which will handle the production and shipping of the poster. The next step is setting up a store to showcase the posters, promote them, and generate sales. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, Shopify, or eBay work well for this. Printify integrates with these platforms, so when you list a product and a customer orders, Printify manages the fulfillment automatically. This process allows you to earn passively. For instance, you can create a store on Etsy and connect it to Printify effortlessly. Step 8. Create mockups for marketing. These designs are simple but very effective. By using this method, you can create posters that have strong sales potential. For example, one store achieved over 19,000 sales, generating more than $188,000 by selling wall art quotes, priced at approximately $9 for bundles, or $4 per design. And as you've seen, creating these designs is quite easy. The same designs can also be used to sell products like mugs or t-shirts. For instance, another store made over 34,000 sales. If each item averaged $10, the revenue would be around $300,000. This approach shows how doubling or even tripling your earnings is possible. A useful tip: focus on building a store around either wall art, mugs, or both, but avoid adding too many product types. This targeted focus will help strengthen your brand and appeal to customers. Now, to list your designs on your chosen store, you'll need mockups. Go back to KITTL and click on Mockups. From here, customize the mockup to your preference. You can use the search box to find the best match by entering wall art. When you find a mockup you like, click to open, adjust your design, and download it. Ensure that the mockup matches your Printify product by reflecting the correct size in the catalog. For instance, if you select a canvas on Printify, your mockup should represent that product type. Once downloaded, you can upload the mockup to your store. Step 9. Promote on social media. With everything ready, the product, store, and provider, the next step is to promote your product effectively. While you can depend on Etsy's traffic, it may take some time to land that first sale. To speed things up, consider creating an Instagram or Pinterest account to showcase your mockups and craft high-converting ads to increase visibility. You can use KITTL to design these ads for an even stronger promotional impact. In the template section, search for ads. I'm choosing Instagram ads, so I'll click on that option, scroll down, and select a template that fits. Once selected, the template will open, allowing you to customize it as needed. For instance, I'll replace an image in this Instagram post by locating it in the Layers panel, going to my hard drive, and uploading the mockup I previously created. You can use the Layers panel to edit any element, for example, changing shapes or replacing images to align with your design. Here's what my final design looks like. Lastly, add your store link in your bio and post descriptions. So these are the simple steps which will help you drive organic traffic, leading to sales and income on Autopilot. Once you set up the system, it can run on its own. Thanks for watching. Now, I'd love to know, which platform are you most excited to use for promoting your designs? Instagram, Pinterest, or something else? Comment your answer below, and let's get a discussion going. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips and strategies from Profitability Plus. See you in the next video.